Article 230.26 of the National Electrical Code addresses clearances from buildings or structures for service conductors. Specifically, it states that service conductors installed as open conductors or multi-conductor cable shall be kept at least 3 feet from buildings or structures. This requirement is crucial for ensuring electrical safety and preventing potential hazards. In this scenario, the 500 cm service conductors running from the CT cabinet to the utility pole are considered open conductors. Because they are routed less than 3 feet from the building, the installation is in direct violation of this code requirement. The consequences of violating this code can be severe. Firstly, electrical shock is a significant risk. If individuals come into contact with conductors that are not properly insulated or shielded, they could experience a dangerous electrical shock. Secondly, fire is another potential hazard. If the insulation of the conductors is damaged due to contact with the building, it could create a short circuit or other electrical fault, leading to a fire. To rectify this violation, the service conductors must be relocated to maintain a minimum clearance of 3 feet from the building. Several methods can achieve this. Firstly, rerouting the conductors is a direct solution. This involves physically moving the conductors away from the building to achieve the required clearance. Secondly, installing conduit is another option. Enclosing the conductors in conduit provides a protective barrier, preventing direct contact with the building and minimizing the risk of damage. Thirdly, installing other barriers can also be effective. This could include constructing a physical barrier such as a fence or wall to prevent access to the conductors and maintain the necessary clearance. When performing any electrical work, safety must always be the top priority. Firstly, always de-energize the circuit before starting any work. This eliminates the risk of electrical shock and ensures a safe working environment. Secondly, use appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as gloves, safety glasses, and insulated tools. Thirdly, follow all applicable codes and regulations. This ensures that the work is performed safely and correctly, and that the installation meets all necessary requirements. Understanding and adhering to electrical codes is essential for ensuring safety and preventing hazards. By familiarizing yourself with the code requirements and following safe work practices, you can help to protect yourself and others from electrical dangers.